How to create an e-commerce business website in 20 minutes, step-by-step guide. Step 1. Choose your platform. For beginners, we recommend platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Wix. These platforms are user-friendly and provide all the tools you need to get started. Step 2. Sign up and choose a plan. Sign up on your chosen platform. Most platforms offer a free trial, so you can test the waters before committing. Select a plan that fits your budget and needs. Step 3. Choose a domain name. Your domain name is your web address. Choose something unique and relevant to your business. Most platforms allow you to purchase a domain directly through their site. Step 4. Select a template. Browse through the available templates and pick one that suits your brand. Customize the template to reflect your business's style and personality. Step 5. Add your products. Now it's time to add your products. Include high-quality images, detailed descriptions, and prices. Organize your products into categories to make it easier for customers to find what they're looking for. Step 6. Set up payment options. To start selling, you need to set up payment options. Most platforms support a variety of payment methods, including credit cards, PayPal, and other online payment gateways. Step 7. Configure shipping settings. Configure your shipping options. Decide whether you'll offer flat-rate shipping, free shipping, or real-time carrier rates. Make sure to set up shipping zones and rates accurately. Step 8. Review and launch. Review your website thoroughly. Check for any errors, test the payment process, and ensure everything runs smoothly. Once satisfied, hit the launch button and your website will go live. Step 9. Promote your website. Now that your website is live, it's time to drive traffic to it. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to attract visitors and convert them into customers.